What's up, you guys? It's Katie. Today, we are going to be learning the dance Body Rock. So this is a feature for Rowdy Fest, which is coming up in the next couple weeks in May in Flagstaff, Arizona. We have a novice level line dance division and an advanced level line dance division, and this is the only dance that I don't have a lesson for. So all 5 of the rest of your dances are already available as lessons on my channel. So we're going to go ahead and learn the last one, which is Body Rock. This is a 32 count, no tag, no restart dance. The song choice for this particular dance is going to be To Beauty and a Beat by Justin Bieber, but this has a couple different song swaps that you've probably seen around. If you dance in Southern California at all, we do this a lot to also Uptown Funk. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so one real quick note about Body Rock. This might look a little bit different in your experience dancing it at the bars because this has been around for a long time. I'm teaching it based on what the step sheet says, but you'll see some variations when you're out dancing. I'm just going based on what the step sheet currently looks like on Copper Knob. So we're starting out with 2 points to our right hand side. I'm pointing out with my right hand foot on 1, returning that to center on and out again on 2, and then back together on and. As I'm doing that, I'm going to be going back over to my other side on 3 and 4, so it's kind of like a pull and switch. So I'm going 1 and 2, and I'm going to be ball switching over to the other side, and then doing the same 2 points on the other side, 3 and 4 and. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, I'm going to be doing 4 heel switches, starting with my right. It's all going to be in place. A lot of times I see these traveling backwards, which you can do, but technically they're written on the step sheet just in place. So we're going 5 with our right, recovering back to center, and 6 with our left, back to center, and then again, 7 and 8 and. Okay, so let's go ahead and just try that count at 8 really quick, starting with the points. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, so we're now on our second count of 8 of Body Rock. So we just did 4 quick heel switches. We're going to be doing 2 slow ones with a clap in between. So I just finished with a left heel switch, right? I'm going to go into a right one now. 1, hold 2, and on that 2, I'm going to clap. So 1, 2. And 3, I'm going to switch over to the other side. And 3, hold 4, and on 4, I'm going to clap. Okay? So we went 1, clap, and 3, clap. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm going to be doing 4 more of those fast heel switches in place. So I'm going and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay? So let's go ahead and do that count of 8 really quick. We just started with a right heel switch. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, so we're on our third count of 8 of Body Rock. We just came back from we finished our heel switches, 8 and 1. I'm going to be taking my right foot. I'm going to be crossing it over my left foot, but as I'm doing that, I'm going to be making a quarter turn over my right shoulder to face 3 o'clock. So normally if I was going to be crossing over, I would look like this, right? So basically I'm going to be taking a step forward and then twisting my body to the right. So 1. Okay. 2, I'm going to be taking a step out to my left with my left foot. 2. 3, I'm just doing a cross with my right in front of my left. 3. 4, I'm doing a point out to my left with my left side. 4. 5, I'm going to be crossing my left over my right this time. 5. 6, I'm going to be pointing my right out to my right side. 6. 7, I'm going to take my right foot, cross it over my left. 7, and then 8, I'm going to half turn, unwind. 8. Okay, let's try just that count of 8 facing the camera so we know what we look like. We just did our heel switches. This is if I was going to turn. I'm going to start with that step forward with a twist on 1. So I'm going 1, step 2, 3, point 4, cross 5, out 6, cross 7, unwind to half turn 8. Okay, but that in context of a 12 o'clock wall, we're doing all of that facing 3 o'clock. So we just did our heel switches, 8 and, starting with that cross, 1, 2, 3, point 4, cross 5, point 6, cross 7, unwind 8. Okay, so we are on our last count of 8. We're going to be finishing off this 32 count dance with 4 diagonal step touches forward. So facing the camera, just so we see what it looks like, I'm taking a diagonal step forward with my right, touch, and then left, touch. We're doing that 4 times, okay? But we're doing that 4 times facing my 9 o'clock wall. This is going to be my new wall, okay? So we're going to step touch 1, 2 with right and then my left, then my left with my right, 3, 4, and then that same pattern again, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is going to be end of dance. I'm going to be starting again with our points, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so let's just try that count of 8 alone, starting with the step touches, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now that we know all 32 counts of body rock, let's go ahead and try it from the beginning, starting with the points, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this will be our new wall, starting with our points. Okay, so now one thing to keep in mind about body rock, like I said at the beginning of this video, is you will see variations in places where this is still danced in person. You will see things like sweeps. You'll see people going backwards on the heels. That's because of the version of the step sheet that is currently available on Copper Knob. So this lesson is a teach of the step sheet as it is currently available on Copper Knob, which is why I'm teaching it in preparation for a competition. Okay. Otherwise, choose your own adventure. Choose a variation that suits you best. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you out on the dance floor.